On my second YouTube channel, guys, I only have 8 videos, but these 8 videos, guys, produce views every day, produce subscribers every day, produce money every day. So these things I will share to you guys, okay? So the first one is doubting. A lot of people have the potential inside of them, but the problem is they doubt. If you are entering to a door and this door is actually open, but you are doubting, oh, maybe it's not open, but you never tried. Because if you tried, oh, the door is open, but when you doubt, you said, oh, maybe it's closed, maybe it's not possible. Number 2, guys, is impatient. A lot of new content creators right now, they're expecting that their YouTube channel will explode the next day. But the reality, guys, is very few people that actually explode very fast. Some of the big YouTube creators that you see right now, it takes them 10 years, guys. It takes them decades. So when we are creating YouTube content, we need to think about decades. We need to think about the long term. We need to think about walking. Be patient, guys. We are going to reach there. But the thing about failing and quitting. Failing, when you fail, okay, you adjust, you find another way, create a new strategy. But if you quit, then you will never win. The third thing, guys, is the topic. Find a topic that fits us and fits our audience. And this topic must have enough people that are interested. Because if it's only 10 people, you can't expect your YouTube channel to have thousands of views or even millions of views if there are only 10 people who are interested with those kinds of topics. So you must find a topic where there's a lot of people. It's like a fish. When you go to the sea, you find a place where you can fish a lot of fish. Because if you find a place where there's only 1 or 2 fish and then you get a net, you only catch those 2 and then it's a waste of time. But if you go where a place where there's a lot of fish and then you place your net very nicely around them and then you catch it and then you will be full. Like what happened with Peter. Peter in the Bible, he was trying to catch fish the whole night, never catch fish, and they have 2 boats and they're using a net. But when Jesus came, Jesus said, go to the deep, and then they placed the net where Jesus said to place it, and then they catch a lot of fish. And then now there are 2 boats now trying to carry those nets because those nets are full of fish, and then their boat is beginning to sink. Imagine, guys. So when you find a topic, you need to ask God, which topic fits me best? Because you have a purpose to me. What is the best that fits me? Not what's the best that I think. Because sometimes what we think is not the best for us. But if we ask God what's the best for us, which topic, which thing that I need to talk to, and then God will guide you, and then you'll be more successful because now you're aligning yourself to God and your purpose. So the next thing is, if you have already your topic in place, the next thing is your thumbnail and your title. Because what the first thing that people see is the thumbnail. The thumbnail is the small picture that you see when you are in YouTube. So a lot of thumbnail that you see, everything there, that's the first thing that we focus. Different topics, different thumbnails. So for example, for my first YouTube channel that failed, I have very lousy thumbnail. But in my second YouTube channel that I create, it has a better thumbnail which fits my audience. Because not every audience, guys, are interested with our face inside the thumbnail. Some other audience prefer, for example, the project or the car or the house that you post in your videos. But some people like to see your face and then text. So it depends on your audience. So now we have, for example, we created now a good thumbnail and title, and then they click. The next thing is the intro, the first 7 seconds and the first 30 seconds of the video. When they click your video, it's not so aligned with the topic and the title and the thumbnail, they will click away. It's much important, guys, for the first 7 seconds that the topic, the title, and the thumbnail aligns with the first 7 seconds, because from there, guys, people will say, this is actually the video that is from the picture that I saw, and then now I want to watch it. Now, maybe there's something that I can see here. But if it's very off from the topic, title, and thumbnail, then they will click out and then you lose. It's like catching a fish from your fishing rod, and then when you're catching the fish and then it's like, you lose the fish. That's it, guys. So it's very crucial to fix your hook. This is the first 7 seconds of the video. And then now, after the first 7 seconds, the first 30 seconds is very important for the YouTube algorithm. Because the first 7 seconds, this is for your audience. The first 30 seconds is for the YouTube algorithm, because if you see your analytic, they will say there the first 30 seconds, how many percent of people are still watching from the first 30 seconds of the video. Now, if you have improved your video and then you were able to, let's say, put 65% of people still watching or 70%, that's very good. But okay, maybe you're still new, maybe it's only 40%, you're not so great. It's okay, you can improve it. But the main goal, guys, is above 50%. For me, for example, my video that is almost 1 million views is like 54% and the other is like 67%. So it's above 50%. So now we fixed already the topic, and then we also fixed the thumbnail, the title, and the first 7 seconds to 30 seconds of the video, guys. So now we are it's very nice now. But the next thing, guys, that we need to improve is our storytelling. Because, guys, it's like this. Every video that you watch in the cinema or in YouTube videos, they have a story. So it's very good to able to give a great story, because if you have a great story, they will watch it many times. For example, my video that I created in my second channel, I noticed some people watch it many times. Some people watch my other video and then they watch the other video and then they watch another video. And this is what you need, guys: intro and the middle and the outro. So even though you are in the intro and then now you're in the middle, you can create intro, middle, outro, intro, middle, outro, intro, middle, outro, even though you're in the middle. And then if you do this, it's like a loop. Started again a new one, and then they start again a new one. They think that's finished. Oh, they're starting new one. And then now you have a very good average retention, because it's like this, guys. If you go to your analytics, you can also find there how much people watch until the end of the video, and that's very important, guys. So when the people click, they watch the first 7 seconds, then they watch the 30 seconds, and then now they start continuing watching, and then most of them, guys, will click out maybe in the middle. Maybe some of them in the 70%, but some of them, guys, will watch until the end. And that's our goal, guys, to improve our average view duration, because it gives a signal to the YouTube algorithm, and then now they will recommend this video. The outro is very important, because the outro, guys, there you can guide them to watch another video. So for example, me, guys, in my outro, I usually said, okay, now you can watch my next video, or now you can subscribe so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. So now it's like giving them reason to subscribe, giving them reason to click to another video, and making their job easy just to click, instead of them going down again trying to find. Now you just recommend a video that is similar to the topic they're watching, and then they can click it. And then now you have binge watching session, and this, guys, YouTube loves it. When they click and watch your entire video, and then they click again to your next video, and then they watch again. This thing, guys, the YouTube algorithm likes this. That's why, guys, even though I only have 8 videos in my second YouTube channel, it generates views every day, because I created the system so that when they watch this one video, and then they will click and then they watch again. So now I can see there are people that are returning to watch my videos. I can see in the graph, they are returning. When they watch, they return to watch again. It's good signal. And then now YouTube start recommending, trying to find similar person in similar interests. So the people who pay YouTube to advertise their video on our videos, YouTube actually gets some of the cut. And then also we get some of the cut. And then now YouTube wins, we win. And then also we give the audience what they're looking for, and then now they win. So everyone wins, guys. So now we're done with the intro, we're done with the storytelling, and then now we're done with the outro. So the next thing is the audio, guys. This is very crucial, guys, because we have created the video, okay? But if the audio is bad, they will click away. Because I remember, guys, I have a very good quality content, but the audio is bad, guys. So the people that watch there now comment, say, maybe you can re-upload your video because your audio is not good. Imagine, guys. So if your audio is bad, even though your video is good, they will click out. Even though actually you don't have that very good quality camera, but if you have very good audio, it's much good. It's much better to have a better audio than a very high quality camera and bad audio. Focus on the audio. You have a lot of choices now. For example, me now, I'm using a DJI mic now. So even though I go farther or closer to the camera, the audio stays the same. I can also actually have a shotgun mic above me here, but I prefer actually to have this mic because sometimes I want to move like this, and sometimes I want to get something while I'm talking to you, and it's very good because the audio quality stays the same. Because if I go far from the shotgun mic, the audio quality will be low, and we don't like that. It will affect our video, and then now maybe we cannot use the video because of the audio quality. If you're also using a music in your videos, you can also find a good quality website where they can produce good quality music without copyright. Now we have a good video and then we have a good audio. But now guys, if we don't have this next thing, you have a problem. Especially for this type of video that I'm creating. This is very crucial guys, is eye to lens contact. So it's like eye to eye contact. It's very important to look in the lens, because when you look into lens, you're like looking to the eye of your viewers. But if I'm looking here, or I'm looking in another place, or I'm looking here while I'm talking to you, the impact is not the same. The connection will be out. So it's much better guys to see through your lens. Practice. In the beginning it's like weird, but later you will see it's like an eye. It's like a person in the back of the camera that you're talking. Now I'm not talking to anyone, but I know behind this camera, I'm talking to someone, and this someone is a person. This someone is listening. This someone wants to learn. So I need to have eye contact so that we have connection. So the next guys, if we already have a good video, a good audio, a good eye contact, the next is consistency guys. If you don't have consistency guys, it will break. For example, me guys, I started this new YouTube channel. I tried my best to post video every single day. It's hard guys, but YouTube likes this guys. If YouTube thinks that you're not consistent, you're just here like a casual, YouTube will treat you casually. But if you are here to meet every day like you are in work, YouTube will take you seriously, because oh, this person actually doesn't stop, he uploads every time. Okay, there's some person that actually gets a lot of views even though they post a video once in a while, like my second YouTube channel. My second YouTube channel, I only have 8 videos there, and those 8 videos continue to have views. One of my videos actually is almost 1 million views now, and then the rest is like 300, 100,000. Imagine guys, even though I only have 8 videos there and I've not been consistent there, because the last post was a year ago, still generating views. There's a good balance between consistency and also quality, because if you want to be consistent but you create bad quality, it will affect your video. It's much better to post quality video consistently, because if you post very often and then the quality is so bad, the storytelling is so bad, and then they only watch 7 seconds, 1 minute of your video, then they click out, it will affect your video. But if you post consistently quality YouTube videos, and then they watch the entire video, and then they watch, and then they watch again another, and then that's what happened with my second YouTube channel. So even though I didn't post no video there, those videos are evergreen. They will click, they will watch, and then they will binge watch. And my job now for that YouTube channel is to create more videos that people will enjoy later. But right now, I'm more focused on this new YouTube channel because it's like a planting seed. Videos that we share to our viewers, it's like a seed. Our seed sometimes, guys, when we plant, the birds take and then it's gone. Don't quit. Plant again. Then you plant, but the soil is not good. It's so stony. No problem. We plant again. Then we plant, not a good environment. It has many thorns. And then when it grows, it was choked. No problem. Plant again. When you plant, guys, when you find a good soil, it will produce 30%, it will produce 60%, it will produce 100%. The next, guys, is if you have an idea, don't delay, don't procrastinate, guys. While it's hot, create, because you will see the energy of the person that's creating a video, because they're excited like me now. I got this idea today and then I create. When you create, guys, the energy is there. But if I wait 1 year or a few months from now after this, it will be not the same energy, it will not be the same excitement. But now I'm thinking, oh, this topic actually is great. Oh, okay, we can create it now. I just put some list that I want to talk, and then now I give it to you as a package so that now you can use this as a tool for your upcoming videos. I hope actually this will help you guys. If you enjoy this video, give this video a like, and if you want to see more videos, you can watch my next video. See you later. Bye bye.